Hi there. Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to brew a good old-fashioned cup of hot drip coffee with the Ninja Luxe Café. Now, you can choose between the classic or rich settings. Classic is well-balanced coffee that is smooth enough to drink black. The rich option is more concentrated and ideal for mixing with milk or flavorings. Let's start by brewing an 8-ounce classic drip coffee. Take the portafilter and insert the Luxe basket. Be sure the tabs on the basket line up with the portafilter and secure it into place. Now grab the funnel. It's this plastic ring that prevents grounds from overflowing and keeps your countertop nice and clean. Press it down onto the portafilter until you hear a click. Slide the portafilter with the funnel, nice and level, into the grinding cradle and make sure it's pushed all the way back. Get this, the machine senses what basket you have and gives you the options that go with it. Since we have the Luxe basket, only coffee, cold brew, and quad espresso options light up. We're going to turn the dial to select Classic and choose our size, 8 ounces. After that, our Barista Assist technology is going to give us a grind recommendation. Adjust the grind dial on the side of the machine until the numbers match. Then press the Start Grind dial and watch the grind happen. After grinding, take out the portafilter and give the grounds a little shake, just enough to level them out. Go ahead and remove your funnel and put it on the side for easy access later. Place the portafilter back into the group head at a 45-degree angle and lock it into place. Make sure the 2 orange dots line up. You'll feel some resistance, that's normal, and ensures you have a tight seal. Since we're brewing into a mug, we're going to take our adjustable cup tray and move it into the middle position. Place your mug on the tray and press the center dial to start brewing. Once your brew is done, use a knockbox to dispose of your grounds like this, or by tapping the portafilter against a waste bin. Now our coffee is ready to enjoy. What'd you think? If you're looking for more information on your Ninja Luxe Café, be sure to check out our other how-to videos. Or you can always visit us at ninjakitchen.com.